Comfort team is working all year round, regardless of the weather conditions. Get your home improvements done before spring. Get no interest financing and make no payments for 18 months. That's on all the products Comfort's famous for. Windows, doors, siding, sunrooms, bathroom and basement remodeling, and insulation too. Details online at comfortwindows.com.
Comfort Windows and Doors.
Comfort is making home improvements more affordable, just in time for spring. Right now, get up to 25% off all products plus interest-free financing. Get new windows, doors, or a remodeled bathroom, all at an affordable price. That's up to 25% off on all the products Comfort is known for, plus interest-free financing for qualified buyers. Get started at comfortwindows.com.